You make stuff that makes a difference. Now you're looking for a place that helps you make the most of what you make. A place where heavy lifting meets sharp thinking, and where big plans get the big resources they need. You want to be where companies don't just grow, they change the landscape. Like Gulfstream, proud makers of the biggest and best business jet to break the round-the-world speed record. Or Lockheed C-130. Anywhere there's trouble, this Hercules is first down the scene. And down here on the ground, JCB doesn't just build diesel-powered machines, it builds them to set land speed records. Talk about your overachievers. And they all have one thing in common. Georgia. That's right. Home to over 9,800 manufacturing facilities, employing more than 385,000 Georgians from every sector and from all over the planet. Fact is, Georgia was built for business. It's why so many Fortune 500 companies have headquarters here. You've got stuff to move, we've got the connections. And how about the nation's top-ranked workforce training program? Did I mention our pro-business environment with low corporate taxes and tons of incentives? Plus, access to the best engineers in the nation. So what are you waiting for? Take a front row space next to these flagship companies. Get recharged for the day. Plan your next big trip, replace your front door, or discover a package waiting there. Bottom line, we're here to help you make the most of what you make. Welcome to Georgia.